This Bio 181 key concept in chapter 3 is that polymers are long chains of monomers formed by dehydration reactions and broken apart by hydrolysis reactions. So first of all, we've got a polymer. It's a long chain made up of repeating subunits that are all very similar. So this entire thing, which would be very long, would be the polymer. Poly means many. And it's made up of these individual units. Each of these is a monomer. And the bond that's joining them, so this bond right here, this is a covalent bond. So you remember what a covalent bond means? So covalent bond is sharing of electrons. So that means whatever is the atom over here at the end of this molecule and the atom over here on this molecule, there are electrons that are going to be going between them. And so that's forming a covalent bond. So that's what's holding together this long molecule. So it can form with dehydration synthesis reactions. So dehydration synthesis is where basically we have two molecules. So let's have two monomers here. On one side, you have a hydrolysis group that is attached with a covalent bond, and on the other molecule over here on the right, you've got a hydrogen. So these are two independent, say, monomers. So here's monomer 1, and then here's monomer 2. So in the process of dehydration synthesis, we're going to form a water molecule as a covalent bond forms. So you're going to link these two monomers. So now 1 is going to be covalently bonded with 2. And you have the formation of a water molecule. So HO. So you've got a covalent bond here that's formed as a result of this dehydration synthesis. And you've got the water that's formed. This OH from monomer 1 is this OH here. It's been bonded to this hydrogen here. So now you have a water molecule. So it's called dehydration. It's pulling water out as it's synthesizing a large molecule. The opposite of that is called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is just the splitting apart of two monomers in this context. And so you're starting with monomer 1 linked to monomer 2. And actually, I'm going to use the same colors. So I'm going to go over here so it's less confusing. So here we've got 1 and 2, and here are 2 monomers, and here you have the covalent bond. So these are going to be broken apart, and you're going to have monomer 1 separate from monomer 2. And as this bond here, highlight this, as this bond is broken, we're going to be adding in a water molecule. We've got a water molecule over here, H2O. Again, water is H2O, that's 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So on one monomer, we're going to have part of the water molecule join the hydrolysis, the hydroxyl group. And then over here, we will have the remaining hydrogen join. So again, this is hydrolysis. And that is the end of this key concept.